Welcome back to another video. So in this channel I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you're new here, make sure to smash on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch more tutorials every week. Alright, today I will be showing you the fastest possible way to blur a moving object in Premiere Pro. Alright, to get started, all you need to do is first bring in your video onto your timeline set. For example, now I do not have permission to use this person's video on my project. So if I wanted to use his video, I could just simply blur out his face. So in order to do that, what you need to do is go into your FX controls panel, open up your FX control panel and search in for the Gaussian blur. Under video effects and blur and sharpen, you'll find your Gaussian blur. Simply drag in your Gaussian blur into your video frame and select your video till it pop-ups over here. And now all you need to do is go into your FX controls panel. Open up your FX controls panel. All you need to do is scroll down till you find Gaussian blur, and under Gaussian blur you'll find the pen, the square and the circle. So the pen tool you could use to draw around the person if you want to blur the whole individual. And in your case, if you're having to blur a number plate, you could simply select the box and blur the number plate out. And now in my case is what I need to do is to blur out the face of the person. So I could just simply select the circle mask path and circle it around the person's face. Alright, if you need to add more points, you can just simply zoom into about 50 and select it perfectly if you want to have it perfectly, or if you don't want to have it perfectly, you could just simply leave it like that. And now what you got to do is coming back to your FX panel, and under your mask, make sure you are under your mask and increase your blurriness. I'm going to increase it about to 50%, so you will have the face blurred. So as you can see, it is a bit too crispy. So if you want to or don't want to, you can just simply increase the mask further. So I'm going to have that to about 35, which would solve in my blurriness for the face. And now when you play the video, you can see the individual is moving, so the effects get changed. And now you got to go into your mask path or toggle up your mask path till you find a sequence created over here. So you will find that you can just simply click on the play track, so Premiere Pro itself will create the automation keys for you of the moving individual person, or if you want, you can do it manually by selecting each track and moving your mask path to wherever you want. So this might be a lengthy process for you, so which might take a little bit of time. Alright, I'm going to leave it up to there since you got the idea. And now when you play back the video, you'll find that blurriness effect which I created for a small frame. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.